Logisitc, regression. Termed as regression, logistic regression is a classification algorithm which is used to classify the given data point to a particular class based on its input features. Let's talk about some real-world examples. You can use a logistic regression model to predict whether an incoming mail is a spam or not by using the contents of the mail as input. Let's take another example. We can use it as a university admission assessment model. A student will submit his application, and the model will predict whether he will get an admit or not, based on his GRE scores, GPA, etc. We will learn how a logistic regression model works. To understand the working, we must answer the following questions. What is the input data? What is the task? How to define the model? How to calculate the loss? How to train the model? How to evaluate the model? Let's have a look at our input dataset. We have been given the admission dataset of a university. There are some input features and the output feature is whether the student will get the admit or not. The number of samples are 10. The number of input features are 4. The output feature or the target is binary variable taking two values 0 and 1, and hence it is a binary classification problem. Let's have a look at the input features. The first two features are the GRE score and the GPA. Both of these features are called continuous features or numerical features, that is, they can take any range of values in their domain. Next two features, that is, country and has work experience, are called categorical or discrete features. These features can take only a finite set of values. We need to encode these features using label encoding or one-hot encoding. Let's understand the task. We have been given a new student's profile and we have to calculate what are his chances of admission in the university. What is the probability that his application will be accepted? To answer the previous question, we have to move to our next step, that is, how to define the model. Before getting in the model, let us first understand the sigmoid function. The sigmoid function has an S-shaped curve. The input value to sigmoid can be any real number. It always outputs a value between 0 and 1 for any real number. If we go towards negative infinity, the value squishes down to 0. At x equals to 0, the value of the function is 0.5. If we go towards the positive values, the value starts moving towards 1. To our college admission problem. Let's say we got 4 weights W1, W2, W3 and W4 corresponding to 4 input features. Now we will multiply the corresponding feature and the weights. The first and second feature will remain as it is as they are numerical. We have label encoded India to a value 2 and yes to value 1. After multiplying the weights, we will add them all and apply sigmoid function on the resultant value. The output that we get is the required probability of a student getting admission in the college. How do we calculate the value of W? We will learn that while we explore further steps of defining the loss function and training the model. Thank you for watching.